Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2017 Hot Wheels. Today we have from the Hot Wheels Glow series, the Track Hammer. The Glow series have these glowing wheels. It's number 1 of 10 in the series. It's best for track and it was new for 2017. It's number 309 of 365 on the year. Let's see, we got a 2015 copyright. Glow-in-the-dark wheels to light up the track. And here's what the Track Hammer is with the specialty in the front. It's got one of those aerodynamic fronts, I believe. Alright, let's get this out of the package with a quick pull and a tip upward this time. Look at destruction. Alright, and you can see the green on the picture of the glowing wheels. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a glow here. Here we go, a little bit. Cool car though, for a race car. And there's 2 racers driving on the left. I'm doing some farm work too, so I hope I got all the dirt off my hands. I don't like dirty hands to do videos. I joke around and say I'm a hand model now, you know. So there's your aerodynamics. Maybe go up when you're racing on the track. I don't know. Maybe go down. I'm not sure how it works. It's a metal bottom. Gold metal bottom. Made in Malaysia. Wow, that's metal too. So it's metal on metal. Yep, that's metal. This is metal. The black in the middle is what's plastic. But that's it. There's your glow. A little bit of glow. Sweet. How does it roll? Whoa. Nice. And it's not going to affect it by putting that up right now. See how it rolls on the track. Complete flip over. How about backwards? Nobody squeezing the ball. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What was that? That was like a rocket. Go really slow. That is awesome. All right, frontward squeezing the ball. Flip. At least it landed on its wheels. Oh, not that time. All right, backwards. Sweet. Oh! All right, now go slower. All right, I'm liking that. Sweet, 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 sweet. Oh! All right, he says, let's drift now. Let's see how my drifting abilities are. We got 2 riders, so it should be a good drift anyway. No? A good nothing. That's what it is. A good nothing. Oh, I was going to do something cool there and I stopped it. Nah. It's like the bobsled team or something. There we go. There's a skid. All right. It's about the best we're going to get out of it. But it's going to look cool on my bureau because the glow will happen. It doesn't have anything covering it. So this will sit on my dresser with my other glow cars. My Matchbox from the 80s, those are getting dusty. I'm going to have a dust off with those. They weren't glowing that well last night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And till next time, T10 out.